Hukuni wapi? Hey, you guys. Hi guys. Welcome to today's video. Today I am so excited because last week was one of my worst weeks. I will tell you about that when I am in the right headspace. But for now, today we woke up with energy. I woke up like 10 minutes ago and I have all this energy. You can even clearly see how ashy my mouth is because I woke up 10 minutes ago. I was just forming some breakfast. So my plan for the day is I'm gonna have some breakfast, take a shower, go visit my family, and I am tagging along my dog, which is such a big deal because he's not fully potty trained. So I do not know if he will make messes. It's actually a she. I'm not sure if she will make messes in an Uber. Fingers crossed, you guys. Fingers crossed. Tufike in peace. Bila masubuano na makasiriko. So guys, for breakfast, I'm having some leftover oats. You guys can see. And I don't even, to be honest, I don't even love oats. I actually don't love the taste. The only reason I still do oats because it's a quick fix for me. That's the only reason. So because I do not like oats sana, I like spicing it up with some grapes, some chia seed, and some sultans. You guys, today I will be dancing all over the place. Get over yourself. Also, I always go in with some honey. And then after that, the oat is bearable. I think it's me, I'm a lazy bitch. So for me, quick fixes all the way. Quick fixes all the way. So guys, let me just have my breakfast, take a shower, and I am tagging you guys along throughout the day. So let me just see you guys after I have showered. Sorry. So here's me and my dog. I forgot to finger. So this is how we look. Here's my very, very cute dog. I don't know if you guys can see the dog. But I'm now on my way. No, actually, I'm going to take my Uber and go to see my family. I am so excited, you guys. Hadi nimepaka foundation and some lipstick. And my baby over here. And my baby's over there. Got an Uber, and I was so lucky the first Uber I got was okay with me having a dog in it. So we are pretty excited. This is her first ride. She's a bit uncomfortable. Stimona kanajificha all the time. But guys, quick backstory. I didn't even tell you this. So initially I got myself 2 dogs, because I thought, why get one and one dog will get lonely and I wouldn't want that for my dog. So I got 2 dogs because in this channel we either go big or go home. So mimi huyo 2 dogs. And then guess what, guys? In like, so I used to leave them in my balcony when I'm going to work and stuff. Sasa nikaziacha kama kawaida. And then guess what, guys? I found one. I got a call when I was at work, and one of the dogs had jumped and died. That's how I only have this one now. I mean, it was so sad. And then at some point I thought I'd get another one. But then I was like, you know what, Sha? You can't kill a dog and replace it halaka. You just see if you can deal with one. And then you can finally get yourself a second one. But so far so good. She's not even as bored as I expected him to be, honestly. Look at him. He's so calm, and this is her first ride. Hey, I'm pretty excited. I'm just hoping we get there with no accidents. We are like 5 minutes away, so we are almost there. I'll catch up with you guys once I get home. So guys, the dog did so good. We had no accidents whatsoever. We got to the house safe. I am really happy. I mean, I will be carrying it around now. Yes. So guys, I already got here and we are about to start the nyama choma situation. That is why I am so happy again. Ndio jiko, nyama iko hapa, tunataka kumarinate, and then now we can get going because nyama choma is always a win. So guys, haha, chomeni na mimi. Come on, just get him. Oh, I need to stop one. I gotcha. I gotcha.
Really? You don't have to. Daddy,
the dog really likes
it. Lakini track wewe unazuka in 1.2 fluid. Unasikia kitu yako ikiendesha chini. Karole mali.
Guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This is like hours later. It's like 11 and you're finally back home with Bo. I am super late, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Cheers.